Intelligent lights are placed on top of trusses, which are covered by custom leather panels. The intelligent lights are always on opposite sides of each other, mirroring each other's movements. We control these lights with the light controller using DMX cables. Before getting into the technical setup, here's how to install the trusses. First, you will place a truss on top of a base. In each leg there will be a hole where you will hammer a nail in. It is recommended you do at least 2 legs opposite sides of each other. The preference is all 4 legs. Next, you will grab an intelligent light out of its case. If you can reach, place the light on top of the truss. Always make sure to have balance when doing this. Ladders will be provided if needed. The screen on the light should be facing the front. Secure the intelligent light by strapping on the chain. If for some reason the light falls, the chain will catch it and avoid it from dropping on the ground or hitting somebody. The wiring will be explained later in this video, but for setup purposes, you must put all cables through the truss from under. This should be done before putting any covers on the truss. The leather panels should be handled with great care. As you can see, they are neatly packaged inside of their holders. Open up the cover with the leather patterns facing the front. Wrap it around the truss and close it with the Velcro. When the event is finished, make sure to gently wrap the cover around itself to avoid damage on the front side. Put it back into its holder. There should be 2 covers per holder. Now it's time for wiring. The intelligent lights take special power cables which should be included in the cases with the lights. Simply plug them into the nearest power source. Next, we will be using DMX cables to wire the lights to the controller. Instead of an antenna, we will use a DMX cable directly from the controller to the light at DMX in. As you can see, we used the 3-pin DMX and not the 5-pin. To chain the lights together, we will get another DMX cable from the DMX out to the DMX in of the next light. Next, turn the lights on. They will automatically start resetting themselves. This should take about a couple minutes. These lights have the option of going on random, but most of the time will be connected to the controller. To make sure that they are in the correct mode, click on Mode. Make sure that DMX Control is checked under Work Mode for all of the intelligent lights. Next, you will go on Advanced and make sure that the lights on each side of the stage is opposite of the other to cause a mirror effect. To do so, you must play around with the pan invert and tilt invert, usually turning one side of the stage on and the other side off. To control the lights, you will first need to press Scan 1. There will be labels on top of each channel that are used to control the lights. To turn the light on, you will need to turn channels 12 and 13 all the way up. After that, use channel 1 to move the light horizontally and channel 3 to move the lights vertically. You can play with multiple shapes, sizes, colors, and blurs to get the design that fits best for the event. If the lights are having technical issues, you can reset them by simply turning channel 14 all the way up. This will avoid you having to reset each individual light manually. When it's time to break down, make sure that you turn the lights off before unplugging all the cables.